Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change the clock in your iPhone. To begin, simply open the Settings app on your home screen. Once inside, scroll down a bit until you find the General option and tap on it. This section holds many core device settings. From there, look for and select Date and Time. This is where we'll adjust everything related to your iPhone's clock, whether you prefer automatic updates or manual control. The easiest way to manage your iPhone's clock is by using the Set Automatically feature. Simply toggle this option to the On position. When enabled, your iPhone will use its network connection to determine the precise time and date for your current location. This means you won't have to worry about manual adjustments, and it will even automatically account for daylight saving time changes, keeping your clock perfectly accurate with zero effort on your part. If you need to set your time manually, first toggle Set Automatically to the Off position. This will unlock the manual adjustment options. Next, tap directly on the displayed date and time. A scrolling picker will appear, allowing you to precisely select your desired month, day, year, hour, and minute. You can scroll through each wheel independently to achieve the exact time you need, offering complete control over your iPhone's clock. Beyond just the time, you can also manage your time zone and display format. If Set Automatically is off, you can tap on Time Zone to manually select a specific city or region. Additionally, you have the option to switch between a 12-hour and a 24-hour clock format. Simply toggle the 24-hour time switch to your preference. These settings give you full customization over how your iPhone displays time, ensuring it suits your personal needs perfectly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.